clergy, give them that moral guidance. Meander down that old historical lane, a street where clergy once reigned. Oh, pray for us and lead us not into temptation. Got that doku, got that wooden bell, call the clergy, give them that moral guidance. Calling out the sinners, come on out of the bars, hand over the wine, it's time to dine. Got that doku, got that wooden bell, call the clergy, give them that moral guidance. Calling out the sinners, come on out of the bars, hand over the wine, it's time to die. Got that doku, got that wooden bell, call the clergy, give them that moral guidance. From that guidance.
So this is Clérigos Street, which is kind of a cool little street with this busy, let me just kind of walk down that way. So you got a busy corner already, all the people lined up for beef or pao. But we're going to be going down that alley right there, and we're in Taipa village. So you can see quite a bit of stuff going on around here. Let me just go up. So that's going to be our focus, right down that alley right there. So stay tuned. Okay, who are those Clérigos? Let's put this up on the map. There we go. Let me tell you a little bit about the street. When I translate it, it's like clergy, and it looks like it's kind of similar in Chinese too. And even talking about like a little bell. Like part of the Chinese characters, from what my understanding is anyways, of kind of like a clergy bell. So there's some references in Chinese that you can see in the lyrics later, because I'll put the music up now, and then you can see some of the Chinese. And anyways, there's clergy references, so the whole song that I wrote in the lyrics is all reference to the street having clergy that would walk up and down it. So that's a little bit of history there for you. So let's just get right into the walk and talk, where I'm going to walk around and narrate with the camera. A little slice of Macau for you in the Taipa village area. Okay, so that's going to be our busy alley. So before we go down Clerigos, we have a little park that we're starting at. And I think they have maybe some music or performance here later. There's definitely stuff you could do in every single direction when you're in Taipa village area. As you can see, like every single direction is interesting, right? But we're gonna go down this little alley to give you an idea of just how interesting every direction can be. And this area itself is quite interesting in its own right. Got some Portuguese sardines, fish, canned fish. Okay. So you just kind of see, I'm going to try to capture So you got some nice shops as well. Pork chop bun. So let's got a Thai restaurant right here. Siam. So there's a Thai restaurant, Portuguese restaurant, pork chop bun place, and then this one is Portugalia. So that one is actually a Michelin Award of 2024. Chicken Michel right there. And then this one, I think they're celebrating K-pop music, I think. And this is Clergy Street, which is like Flower Street. So let's kind of keep on going down this way. So that's kind of interesting that they have all that. Okay, so let's keep on going. So this is a slice of Clérigos Street. This one is I think they have Malcanese and Portuguese foods. La Famiglia. Okay. Got some shrines. And then we're gonna keep on walking down. Let's see. Nice little balconies everywhere. Okay, so that's still right here, Clerigos. So we're going to continue walking down. And then there's a nice restaurant right there called My Messy Kitchen, which is closed at the moment. Palafanch. Palafanch used to be it had a different name. I think it was something Barcelona or something like that. Can't recall now. Dinner Time Cafe. Believe. So yeah, Clerigos is actually quite photogenic, as you can see. And if you go up these little alleys, which I think we should do, just to give you the full context. San Antonio's. That was used to be Go at Night. It had a really amazing food from Go India. Fish curry was amazing, Go in fish curry. But that, and they had a nice, you could sit right there and have a good meal there. Oh, we're still in Clerigos. Okay, this is actually part of Clerigos, the one that we're on. Such a photogenic street. Yeah, it's really, really photogenic. Clérigos. It's funny how these buildings keep changing. So this one used to have it's like an art space for a little while, right on the corner, and they built some glass down that way, just a tiny little bit. Let's see what that looks like now. But they built this glass part, and I guess they're still doing stuff with it right there. Let me just capture that. Yeah, it's kind of interesting. So we're kind of getting off of our Clerigos a little bit. And then we have Macau, which has really good food. And you can actually sit outside now, which you couldn't do before. It's another kind of cool looking building, Baron Cigar. So we're a little bit, we'll come back to Clérigos now. So that's Clérigos. I think that one is Taipa Italian restaurant. Some nice little corners through here. So okay, so this is Clérigos. So now you kind of have an idea. And I think what I'm going to do next is just walk all the way straight through. Okay, so that's Clérigos, a little slice of Taipa village. Kind of weaves through the back alleys, and as you can see, it's very popular with tourists. And it's kind of interesting because now it's become more popular to go into the alleys, where before people would stay at Cunyagai, which is the food street, and that's where we're going to go back to and then end our video. But at least you have an idea of Clérigos. And now we're coming back towards Clérigos. And that's Clérigos right there. Yeah, very busy. Pao and then Clerigos.
Got that wooden bell